Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a tale of resilience and recovery from the UK. Today, we're going to talk about the remarkable comeback of one of Britain's most beloved creatures, the otter. In the mid-20th century, otters were on the brink of extinction in the UK. The polluted waterways, ravaged by industrial waste and toxic pesticides, had decimated their populations. But thanks to concerted conservation efforts, improvements in water quality, and a targeted reintroduction campaign, these charismatic animals have made a remarkable recovery. Janice Bradley, head of nature recovery for the Nottinghamshire Wildlife Trust, notes that 20 years ago, otters were almost non-existent in the area. However, with the return of cleaner waters, they've begun to thrive, and now there are records of otters in virtually every river and watercourse in the county. It's a testament to the power of conservation and the importance of protecting our natural habitats. As we explore the story of the otter's recovery, we're also reminded that their return is not without its challenges. Some anglers have expressed concerns that otters are disrupting the balance of the river by devouring fish, but experts argue that this claim is overblown. In reality, otters eat a diverse range of rodents, birds, and amphibians, and rarely target the large fish prized by anglers. Dr. Kaur Elizabeth Chadwick, head of Cardiff University's Otter Project, highlights that otters can serve as a symbol of the change that many are demanding for the health of our waterways. By monitoring pollution levels in dead otters, her team has found that heavy metals, fast forever chemicals, and pesticides are still building up in these mammals. However, this also presents an opportunity to use otters as charismatic ambassadors for river health, raising awareness about the importance of protecting our aquatic ecosystems. As we continue to explore the natural world on Nature Walk, we're reminded that even in the face of adversity, there is always hope for recovery and renewal. The story of the otter's comeback serves as a powerful reminder of the impact that conservation efforts can have when we work together to protect our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the heart of Africa, where a remarkable story of conservation and connection is unfolding. Deep within the lush forests of Uganda's Kibale National Park, a team of dedicated habituators are working tirelessly to build trust with one of our closest living relatives, the common chimpanzee. These incredible creatures, with whom we share nearly 99% of our DNA, are facing numerous threats, including poaching and habitat loss, which have led to their classification as an endangered species. However, thanks to the efforts of habituators like Alex Turiatunga and Nkunda Viola Ariho, Kibale National Park has become a beacon of hope for chimpanzee conservation. The process of habituation is a painstaking one, requiring patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of chimpanzee behavior. By slowly and carefully introducing themselves to the chimps, these habituators aim to create a sense of comfort and trust between humans and animals. This not only allows for groundbreaking research opportunities, but also provides a unique chance for tourists to contribute directly to the conservation of these magnificent creatures. As we delve deeper into the world of chimpanzee habituation, we're reminded of the pioneering work of Dr. and Line. Jane Goodall, who spent decades studying these intelligent and emotional beings in Tanzania's Gombe National Park. Her legacy continues to inspire a new generation of researchers and conservationists, including David Morgan, co-director of the Golago Triangle Ape Project, who emphasizes the importance of habituation in promoting a deeper understanding of chimpanzees and their place in our world. As we explore the intricate social dynamics of chimpanzee communities, we begin to appreciate the complexities of their behavior and the importance of preserving their habitats. The story of Kibale National Park serves as a powerful reminder of the impact that human actions can have on the natural world and the incredible possibilities that arise when we work together to protect and conserve our planet's precious biodiversity. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, we turn our attention to a heart-wrenching story from Indonesia, where the recent Cyclone Senyar has left a trail of destruction in its wake. The cyclone, which swept across Sumatra in late November, has not only claimed the lives of over 900 people and destroyed countless villages, but it also poses a significant threat to one of our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, the orangutan. The Tapanuli orangutan, discovered as recently as 2017, is found exclusively in the mountainous forests of Sumatra. This critically endangered species, with fewer than 800 individuals remaining, faces an existential crisis due to habitat loss and fragmentation. The recent cyclone has exacerbated this situation, with satellite images revealing extensive destruction of their habitat. Professor Eric Mayhard, Managing Director of Borneo Futures in Brunei, estimates that as much as 7,200 hectares of forest may have been destroyed, potentially claiming the lives of up to 35 orangutans. The imagery from the affected areas is nothing short of devastating. Pictures shared by Deki Chandra, who has been working with a humanitarian team in the region, show the carcass of what is believed to be a Tapanuli orangutan, found in Pulau Pakat village in central Tapanuli district. The condition of the body, with flesh ripped off the face, suggests the orangutan may have been killed by the violent landslides that swept through its habitat. Experts like Serge Witch, professor of primate biology at Liverpool John Moores University, highlight that while orangutans are known to sense danger and seek shelter, the rapid onset and extreme nature of the cyclone may have caught them off guard. The destruction of their habitat, coupled with the loss of life, underscores the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect not just the Tapanuli orangutan, but all species affected by such natural disasters. The aftermath of Cyclone Senyar also brings into focus the importance of preserving research centers dedicated to the study and protection of endangered species. The Ketambi Research Center, the world's first orangutan research center located in Aceh, has been severely damaged, emphasizing the need for swift rebuilding efforts to continue critical conservation work. As we reflect on this story, it's a poignant reminder of our interconnectedness with nature and the impact of climate change on vulnerable ecosystems. The loss of any species is a loss for humanity, underscoring the importance of concerted global action to protect our planet's biodiversity. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.